Okay, I'm gonna do a quick review on Family Dollar's Family Shelves cutting board. Oh, this little wrapper that goes with it. I know what this is. It's Family Dollar's Family Shelves cutting board. I got Family Dollar probably been about a year ago. I don't remember how much I paid for it. It's small, small size. You're gonna cut up a bunch of vegetables and stuff like that. You you definitely would need a bigger cutting board than what this one here. There's a handle here, the other side of it. It's a pretty nice little cutting board. It's just gonna cut a small amount of produce or meat and stuff with it. Like I said, if you're planning on cutting up a lot of stuff, you're definitely gonna need a bigger cutting board than this. It's a good size if you're into backpacking, hiking, camping and stuff like that. It'll be a good size. You can put down in your bag, hiking bag. Though it's pretty lightweight. It's small. Won't take up a whole lot of room in your bag. I haven't had any problems with it. It's got some cutting anything up. As long as I'm small amount of produce I'm cutting up. Got a few little scars on it from where used it. I'm happy with it. Like, the only thing like drawback I can think of is it's pretty small if you're gonna be cutting up a lot of produce and stuff on it. But other than that, I'm really happy with it. I use it all the time here in the kitchen. If I'm cooking stuff this for me and I'm only one home and I need to cut up some produce, I'll use this sometimes. So I ain't gotta get out the big old cutting boards that we got here. We got a couple pretty good sized cutting boards here for cutting up stuff. If it's onions or tomatoes, something like that, I'm gonna cut up and cook with. I use this to get this one out. It's easy to clean. We don't have a dishwasher. It's probably dishwasher safe. It's plastic, so it shouldn't be any problems putting through the dishwasher. We wash it by hand. I haven't had any problems with washing it by hand in the sink. This is the Family Dollar's Family Chef's cutting board.